Hi everyone, now I'm in the Perimeter Road and I will walk this way from Walking Street to Perimeter Road. I walk about 15 minutes walk slowly, and we arrive with Georgi. I want to show a new hotel. This is new hotel already open, and also I will show Margarita Station. This is Margarita Station already. Georgi near Margarita Station. Here it. Open very soon, I already see. Hi Georgi. Hi. So we need stuff. I think don't have stuff for work. Margarita Station restaurant and bar. Okay. We can see. You can see great hotel and motel already open. Massage also have. Bar. Okay, we will ask how much. Pizza also. Pizza already open. Okay. Already have advertising, great hotel and motel. Okay. So we need to, how much rooms? 3 hours for 50. So can stay also short time. Great hotel. I don't know where is someone who can show to us. This is already hotel. Good afternoon. Can I see room?
Okay, sir.
Yes. When you open?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay. So I will take a video for my subscribers. This is standard room. New aircon, TV, 2 bottle water, bed. It's good bed. Okay. This is shower. Oh, very small. Very small, 15 centimeters. It's okay. It's small, Chinese style, but smell good. How much? 1 month?
1 month here.
Yeah, how much?
Magkano si 1 month?
39.
39,000 1 month.
52,000.
52 1 month. Standard
52,
room.
yes.
Okay.
But you show me 39.
The other one is single.
Single have. Can you see?
It's cheapest, no?
That one is standard.
This is standard.
Yes,
Single
sir.
cheaper.
The cheaper one, the single is upstairs.
Can I see single room?
Okay,
Single
sir.
room.
So 22? Per month.
Here, sir.
Okay.
39.
Okay, Georgi, I will go to the second floor. If you want to, you take a look. Single room is cheapest. Two, 1, 1. It's a single room. Window only here. Aircon. The same. Only one bed. Single bed. It's for Zaza. It's downstairs have a bar.
Yes, sir.
Can order
And we have a massage here, sir.
and massage also. Good.
And breakfast.
Breakfast. But breakfast need to pay how much? The same.
The juice, coffee.
Not available breakfast. It's need additional pay for breakfast. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. It's single room view to the roof. It's all single room. This one.
Yes.
Single rooms. This one. Yeah?
No, sir. Standard.
This is standard and premium. Okay.
The family room is.
Have family room.
But only, sir. This, sir, the family room.
Here family room. Okay. Big room. Big.
It's cleaning, sir, the family.
Cleaning. Okay.
Yes.
Can I see or not? Just only size. Size. It's high. It's big. Yes. Big. All the same, only biggest room.
Yes.
This is premium. Premium room, yes?
Premium.
Can I see?
Hindi pa po okay.
Oh, a little bit only. Okay, it's I already know it's biggest only. Big room. Okay, thank you.
It's a balcony? No?
Yes, sir.
Balcony.
Balcony. We can see from
Okay.
smoking area, yes. This smoking area.
Massage area, sir.
This is massage area. Massage area. You can see massage spa. Here massage spa.
Yes.
Here massage. Okay. Good afternoon. Oh, good smell. In massage always good smell. How much massage? I don't know. This is prices massage. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. This is Perimeter Road. Nice place.
That's it, sir.
Good. I will upload in my YouTube channel. I will give a name card to my channel. You can watch later.
I will subscribe to it.
Okay. Yes. Georgi, give. Yes.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, it's QR code. QR code. It's My Life Philippines. You can watch later. Thank you very much. I will upload soon. Thank you. Land Cruiser. Okay, Georgi, let's go to this way. You can see. I think they cannot open because they want to find stuff first.
The same waitresses, same stuff.
Maybe waitress don't want to go. Maybe they maybe not finish it. It's because it's also same from Margarita station, this swimming pool. Candy bar. Beautiful girls in this area, Georgi. Yes? Караоке, караоке. So many abandoned car. I don't know, it's plastic? Plastic. It's for golf. Yeah, it was plastic. Electric. So many. Toyota. Yeah, very old Toyota. What name? Toyota Corolla maybe. I don't know. I think it's Toyota Celica. It's Toyota Celica maybe 9060 or 9082 model. Yeah, Celica. It's paint shop. Maybe straight, because before we already been. Hi. Georgi, what do you think about this grey hotel?
I think I
Not
don't-
for you.
No, it's not for monthly rent because small room,
Small room.
no windows.
Mhm.
It's good for several nights, I think.
Short time only.
Yes, for first time stay, maybe 1 week.
Mhm.
But to live a long time for me. No.
Mhm. La Grande Residence.